Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change and format your text within Google Docs. So as you can see, I have a document here with some repetitive text, guys, and we're going to go ahead and format it a bit so that you can see how to use the formatting within the Google Docs. So you can highlight the text, guys, and you can choose from the options as you have here. You have the normal text that you can apply, you have the title, as well as subtitles, headers, as well. You can always play around with these options if you so desire. Then you can also play around with, guys, with the font. So let's say I want to play around with this title here. You can change the font here, you can change it to impact, you can change it to whatever you want. You can scroll all the way down and you can choose different format of text that you want, different fonts, right? So you can choose through them. And as you see, the arrow towards each one of them is telling you that there has more options, right, that you can choose from, right? So very easy and very simple, guys, that you can basically do so. And you can scroll down and you can find. So very useful ones, right? You can also play around with the size of the text as well. So let's say I want to adjust the title here. I can come here and I can do like a lesser, or I can press the plus to make it larger as well. There you have it as well. You have the bold, so you can press it to make it bold or not. As you can see there, you can make it italic as well. As you can see there, italic basically make it slant. As you see, you can also make it like underline as well if you so desire. You can also change the color of the text. If you click on it, you can change the color of the text as well. So very easy stuff here. Now guys, you also have like a highlighter here, so this will depend. So let's say I would like to highlight something within this specific text document. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply highlight this name. So all you have to do is just hover over the text that you would like to highlight, and you simply want to click on the highlight and you can select the color that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, for example, and as you can see, it is there. Now this one doesn't look too good. I'm going to just press Ctrl Z to undo that, but I'm going to click it again and I'm going to simply use like a yellow. So that looks good, really good. You can do it for even a longer part of the document as well. So you can simply highlight up to where you want. I'm going to find a full stop here. So let's say up till here. And once you do that, all you have to do is select it and click it and it will highlight. So that's a very nice touch, guys. And as I said, there is a lot more that you can do as well. You can also play around with the line spacing. So if you hover over the entire text, you can come here, you can play around with the paragraph spacing so it looks like that. You can also make the text like center as well if you want like that. You can align it whichever alignment that you so desire. You can have it like this. It's really up to you guys how you want it as well, right? So you also have like a checklist. If you're working with checklists, you can simply come here and you can adjust checklists that you want if you so desire. You can also play around with bulletin as well if you want to work with bulletin. You can also play around with page numbers as well. You can also do indenting as well if you want. It's really up to you how you want to manage it. But as you see, guys, you have a lot of options here that you can simply use to play around and to format your text.